I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and man, as long as Tesla keeps going up, I am going to keep covering it. Look, this stock continues to run higher. If you look at the lows, the intraday lows, you'll see the last time this stock printed an intraday low that was lower than the prior is this day on the 21st. That's the day that it gapped down a little bit, and since that time, every single day the intraday low has been higher than the one before. So that by itself indicates that this is a real strong stock. Okay, but you can also see that, okay, the stock started ramping up. Look at the steepness, and then it's finally up here. But then over the last 3 days, it's again still up. But, you know, here was the line, and now it's kind of tapered off. I'll say it again. It is still up. It's still going higher. But, man, this thing every day, it just feels like maybe this is the day that this thing pulls back. I don't think that the pullback, when it does come, is going to be that steep. So if you're still in this stock, what I would suggest doing is, you know, use trailing stops, but think, what did I just say about the higher intraday lows? They continue to be higher every single time. And so if you wanted to, if you're saying, well, where do I put my stop? Okay, one frame of reference is the intraday low. Like today, when the stock traded, you could say, all right, well, I'm going to put my stop here. The stock's up higher, but if it prints a lower intraday low, this is set about 7-8%, then I need to get out of this stock. So tomorrow, where the stock opens up, your stop would be, I'm not saying you should do this, I'm pointing it out to you, that the low was 12.17, right? So you've got here at 12.17, right here. And that's where you would put your stop. My sense is that sooner or later, especially with this in such a tight trading range today, sooner or later you're going to get stopped out with the stop this tight. But still, if that's the method that you're using, then that's the method that you're using. So, you know, that's all I got for you on this. As the stock continues to go up, the volume declines here. So we're back down actually for lower than average volume for the first time in a while. So I'm looking at this stock and I'm just telling you, this is a very, very dangerous stock to own. You're kind of flipping a coin. You could continue to see this stock run up without any pullback. It could run up to 1,400. Personally, I'm looking at this chart. Man, I think it's got a long way still to go. But for now, we're just looking at the daily chart here, and this is a stock that you got to be taking profits on now. I got out of it a while ago. I wish that I didn't, but I can't go back in. It's just a bad buy right now. So think about what I'm telling you. All I'm trying to do is help you not lose your dough. All right, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick. I'll see you next time.